It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, May 21st. I'm James Spann. A pretty decent chance of showers and storms today, but after today, things start to dry out and heat up. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning at the insane hour at 5 o'clock. There's a look at downtown Fayette. All is quiet there. Look at the campus of the University of Montevallo. Sun getting ready to come up in Shelby County, and down south, it's cleanup day. Hangout Music Festival is over. They'll be taking the stages down today and in coming days, and the weather down there just looks fine. A lot of folks are beach-bound later this week with school letting out this week, and see no reason to think we'll have any big rains down there anytime soon. So go down there and have some fun. There's the water vapor satellite view. Got a trough in the northern branch helping to drive a cold front down this way, and that will bring us a little enhanced chance of showers and storms today. And a tropical system in the Atlantic. It's a little bitty one. We'll talk about here in just a moment. Here's a peek at the radar at 5:01 this morning, and we do have some rain up in the Tennessee Valley between Huntsville and the Shoals. The most extensive rain is over Mississippi. They've got some pretty decent thunderstorms down there below Greenwood, and all that slowly moving in our direction. So keep your fingers crossed we get some decent rain today because, again, after really today and tomorrow, things look dry for a while. Severe weather risks. No formal risk today around the nation. A couple of 5% circles out west, and tomorrow just a standard slight risk way up north over the Dakotas. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, suggesting a little bit here, and that would be today and maybe tomorrow. Half inch over the Tennessee Valley, barely enough to measure down south. And let's take a look at Tropical Storm Alberto, a little preseason system getting underway in the Atlantic. That thing has been drifting south over the past 24 hours, and it looked like it was dead last night, but this morning a new flare of convection has formed near the center of that thing. But you can see it's totally surrounded by dry air, and there'll be some harsh winds. It's just not going to bother anybody, really. If it survives, it will do this, move northeast, stay offshore, and ultimately dissipate probably by tomorrow night. All right, let's take a look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Troughing to the north, weak front coming in from the north, and again, that will bring a chance of showers and storms today. Looks like the GFS a little too dry. It is fully unaware of the convection we have going on this morning. So this afternoon and tonight, yes, a chance of showers and storms. I know there are some outdoor graduations tonight. You might want to have some indoor alternatives in case there are storms nearby, which is a definite possibility. Tomorrow, the deeper moisture is over East Alabama, so we'll mention the chance of a lingering shower or storm, mainly over the eastern half of the state. High should be in the low 80s tomorrow, mid-80s today, by the way, and that's about where we ought to be for this time of the year. Now, Wednesday, we go dry, and we start to heat up with mid to upper 80s. Sky should be sunny. Thursday, thickness values are coming up. Will be close to 90. And Friday, how about low 90s with a bright sunny sky? And as we start the weekend, ooh, look at that. That's nasty looking. Got a big trough in the west and a 588 heat bubble over us. And that means it's going to be hot and mostly dry. And yeah, there might be a little shower on radar, but no big deal. I would say low 90s are likely, and the same thing on Sunday. So get set for the 90s this weekend, which is Memorial Day weekend. Hey, it's a holiday. Cool. In fact, there's Monday of next week. That's Memorial Day. And the same thing. All the wave action is up north down this way. You know, showers ought to be very hard to find. So as we kick off summer unofficially, the Memorial Day weekend, it's just going to be pretty much hot and dry. We'll check the end of the forecast June 5th. And at least that 588 heat bubble is gone. We got a light northwest flow aloft, and again, that shows the weather looks relatively calm and dry. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. Don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.